Hey there, it's Hannah with WTI, and I love a good storage solution, and I love it even more when it's beautiful. And this slim rolling storage cart from IKBAOME is everything I could have wanted for my guest bathroom.
From the minute this arrived on my doorstep, I was in love. Not only did it come completely assembled, but every single thing about it is perfect. The drawers that slide so smoothly, and that how well it's balanced so when the drawers are open, it does not fall. It has so many compartments, a rotatable storage on the top. You can even choose to remove the wheels on this if that is something you desire. I love that these drawers don't show what is inside very much, so you don't have to worry about filling it up with things. It is just completely gorgeous. It fits so much stuff and looks absolutely beautiful while doing it.
I love that I'm able to fill this up with everything that my guests will need while they stay with me and use our guest bathroom. I love how beautiful it is and how it fits perfectly in the spot I needed it for. It is absolutely gorgeous, super high quality, and I couldn't recommend it more. And that's my point of view.